Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add payment methods in WordPress. First, open your WordPress dashboard and log in with your admin account. Now go to the plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce, then click Install Now and activate the plugin. After activation, the WooCommerce setup wizard will appear. Here you need to enter your store details such as location, currency, shipping, and tax information, then continue through the setup process. Next, open the Payments section inside the Setup wizard. You will see different payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer. Select the payment methods you want to enable for your store. If you want to add a specific gateway like Stripe, go back to Plugins and click Add New again. Search for WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway, then install and activate it. Now open WooCommerce Settings and click on Payments. Here you will see all available payment methods in your store. Turn on the option for Stripe or any other method you installed. Then click on the payment method to configure it. Enter your required details, such as API keys or account information provided by the payment service. After entering the details, save your changes and make sure the payment method is enabled. Once everything is completed, your WordPress website will be ready to accept payments securely from customers using the selected payment options. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.